How you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. Of course you're doing fine. I want to be doing fine. All I'm saying that this video is very random. I was just watching this and I got some deep message in this. So I hope that I must be sending this message to all of you, those who don't know what this series is, because usually they don't promote, like Bollywood. So I will say this series, Peaky Blinder. Okay. The good thing about this Peaky Blinder.
1 minute.
Find a man as smart as you, Tommy. Love, is that barmaid?
That's how it works, an eye for an eye. And she says, don't trust these people. My fucking wife took a bullet meant for me! I'll always be alone.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.
As you will see, this Tommy Shelby. Okay, this character in this series is the idol of all youth. We all should be following this Tommy Shelby. Why I'm saying, his sacrifice, he's knowing that his entire family hates him, but still he goes on the thing he believes which is right, just because your family says you otherwise. But still, if you know that something is right, something can turn your family up around, so that's what you should be doing. You should be believing on your guts. Okay, so this character has exact personality what all we youth must have right now at this moment. So I'm requesting you to please go download this series. I'm gonna give this series link in my description. Just go and download from there, and it's very easy to download. Just download from there, from my description link, and just please watch this. Trust me, all of us right now need to be like Tommy Shelby, very ruthless, emotionless, and we must be focusing on what we want. So this person really motivated me in his own way. It can never be more good than being entertained or being taught something very valuable. So let me give you a little bit of description about this series. This was released in 2013, and since then their series were kept on coming. This series is really good. This series is good from two perspectives. One, you will understand, if you keep on listening, you will get over this British accent, because which is very hard to understand first. Second, when you learn the accent, now the Tommy Shelby character is so idealistic, so motivating all the youth right now. We must be following this Tommy Shelby personality. I'm not talking about this, fighting all the thing, but his personality regard, you will see that moment where he takes very strong action when he takes his father out of home. He knew that his father doing wrong thing, and his father does, his father is the reason that this family will go down. So he takes the strong action and take out his father. Even though his entire family was against him, he still does it. He still does it. Why he does it? And the reason he does it this, because he knows in order for good future, you have to take hard action. You have to take hard action. So I request you to please go and watch the video, and trust me, you will get some lesson from this, which we all youth, we need it right now. I hope you understood. And for me, what I'm saying that I make random video. I just don't plan for something. Like, suppose if I think something need to be said, I just share it. So if you really like this kind of video, so please subscribe and motivate me, and just just encourage me to make more video like this. That's all. Thank you. So please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friend and family. That's all. Thank you very much.